To succeed any exam, concentration in the UT lectures is very necessary, because then 70% of our studies are completed and it becomes easy for us.
Very happy with the management and other faculty members of UT. They have very strict guidelines in place. At the same time, they are flexible also, because if the child is missing a particular class, they give an opportunity to attend it at a suitable time. And at the same time, UT has been sending regular updates about the child, her performance, the attendance, etc. by emails, SMS, and also in person. So I once again thank UT for their excellent support and the good achievements my child has made. Thank you very much.
The UT material is excellent, and the model answers has helped me frame the answers in a very good manner and in a very systematic manner.
UT provided the necessary backing. The course material was excellent, and the model answers which were provided, they were also very helpful, because they helped the student write the answers in a very systematic manner. Moreover, the correction was also very timely. It brought out the strengths and weaknesses, so this allowed us to take further corrective action. I would like to thank the front office staff of UT. They were very supportive, very polite. They knew each and every student by his or her name, and they provided information in a very timely manner via SMS and email. So I would like to wish UT all the best for a bright future and better results throughout. Thank you.